Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with my newest creation. It's called Nature Notes and it's a junk journal, vintage style, nature, birds, a little bit winter, a little bit autumn, but yeah, not so specified. And I tried out new material for the outside cover. It's kind of paper leather. The German brand is Snap Pup, but I think it's almost the same like Craftex maybe. And you can paint it, you can emboss it like I did here for the frame here. I painted it and distressed the cover. These two are embossed. Here you see the back. And you see also a little bit of texture in there. And of course inside it's enforced with cardstock and fabric, as you can really see. I use this ribbon as a closure. So, and I had this beautiful Tim Holtz fabric, which fitted very well to the theme. All the browns and also hints of blue. Here the feather. It was perfect, I think. So it starts with a peekaboo cardstock page, a short page with this label like journal date when you start the journal. You can look through and see the owl, create your own magic. Might also be a nice title for this journal. Here's the title, Nature Notes. So there are a lot of pockets, decorations, and a lot of room for writing. A lot of foldouts. This would be a nice Christmas present, I think. And this is also a fold out. And on the other side you can write also. Pocket here. Vintage receipt. This is a fold out. Little envelope, also as a pocket, and there is a mini vintage receipt in there. A lot of vintage book pages. Belly band. It's just a scrap or the edge of the Tim Holtz paper pad. No, not paper pad, but of the fabric, of course. Fabric. And this is a fold out, and I clipped there this vintage receipt behind. Receipt, and there's always room for writing. Some leaf die cuts. I made them out of as a backing. I used Tyvek, so they are very sturdy. Here, leaf as a side tuck, little tuck spot. Digital prints, of course. And this is some scrunched up tape I made. Another fold out, another vintage receipt. I printed these vintage looking receipts on very, very thin paper. I think 60 GSM. So it feels very authentic. I used also some eco-dyed cardstock. And in this little envelope there is another mini receipt. Tuck spot. Another vintage receipt on a book page, and I made a pocket out of it. So here's another vintage receipt. For more journal space. And this is an envelope with a fold out, and there's another postcard in here, and a tuck spot for another receipt. and use this self-made tag as a fold-out, and behind there is a side pocket, another little pocket. I used several Edith Holden pages here for this book. Little plant die cut. There's another one of those fold-outs with this time a vintage letter. Yeah, letter. You can unfold this completely and you have I think a receipt on the back. Yeah. Of course, you can use all these ephemera pieces for your own projects. And here in the back there is a little mini ephemera holder with some leaf die cuts and little tag here and little journal cards and a bigger one here in the back. So, and here we are at the end with another Tim Holtz fabric piece. So that's it. Nature notes. Available on Etsy. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I say bye till next time. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.